Hello everyone, it's Varsha here. Today I'm incredibly excited to take you along with me on a special journey as I visit SVB Amansara Earthstar, our signature series project. Welcome to Amansara, our signature series. It's a vision brought to life with passion and artistry. It's a place where timeless elegance and modernity converge. It's not about owning the place. It's about being part of a legacy of excellence, about enriching experiences. Imagine a life surrounded by serenity, by peace at Earthstar with 360-degree hill view. We have super luxe residential villa plots and estates like Gold Lux plots, 3,000 square feet to 6,000 square feet, Platinum Mansion plots from 6,000 square feet to 12,000 square feet. Also, it's freehold private individual ownership plot with dedicated FSI of up to 1.5. For those seeking ultimate luxury living, prices start from an attractive 1.49 crore. Welcome to the gateway of grandeur. Amansara Earthstar boasts a prime location which is just 20 minutes away from Navi Mumbai Airport. Experience tranquility just 45 minutes away from Sobo. With seamless connectivity via the Worli-Sivri elevated connector to the Atal Setu, your journey to serenity begins in minutes. Embrace the future with Mumbai 3.0, where Navi Mumbai International Airport will be operational by March 2025. With thematic designer, architecture and infrastructure crafted by renowned architect Hafiz Contractor. Enhance your driving experience with lush greenery, improving air quality, safety and focus while reducing noise. Indulge in over 50 plus meticulously crafted amenities and infrastructures at Amansara Earthstar, such as indoor games, outdoor games, infinity pool, EV charging station, etc. Experience tailored exclusiveness with modern conveniences like on-call services, dedicated security management and facility management services, ensuring your peace of mind at Amansara Earthstar. Adjacent Imagika Theme Park, Khopoli. Khalapur Toll Plaza, 5 minutes. Lonavala, 20 minutes. 30 minutes from Navi Mumbai International Airport. 45 minutes from Sobo via MTHL. 45 minutes from Navi Mumbai. All kinds of medical and educational infrastructure within reach. Don't miss this limited edition opportunity. Own your own piece of paradise with ready-to-build villa plots which start from 1.49 crore. Embark on a journey where every moment is a masterpiece. With its prime location, array of amenities and the backing of SVB Realty, leading developer of luxurious gated communities, this is your opportunity to embrace a lifestyle of tranquility and connection. Experience convenience and safety with our wide, well-maintained internal roads featuring a dedicated pet walking path and designer compound wall with shadow lighting feature. Amansara Earthstar boasts lush greenery throughout the community, enhancing the aesthetic appeal and promoting environmental sustainability. Our commitment to quality is reflected in every aspect of Amansara Earthstar. From meticulously designed landscapes to well-constructed infrastructure, our team ensures that every detail meets the highest standards of craftsmanship, ensuring longevity and durability for generations to come. For more details, visit our website amansaraearthstar.com or contact us on 09699 395527. Amansara Earthstar, a signature series by SVB Realty, the leading developer of gated communities.